Hey guys, come spend the day with me. Today we have a lot of stuff, like little errands and stuff to do. This is a crazy angle. Here we go. This lighting is awful. I look like a gremlin. But hey, right now I need to go to the store to prepare for this weather. We're having a snowstorm. We need to get some things from the store. Hopefully I can find some things. I know last time I went to Wegmans, it was insane and all the bread was gone. So we're gonna try to find some bread. Well, actually no, we don't need bread. We need everything else though. Fingers crossed. I also haven't eaten breakfast yet. And I don't feel like making anything because we don't really have anything. Hence my needing to go to the store. So I think I'm gonna pick up maybe Chick-fil-A breakfast. I like their breakfast. I don't love their lunch, dinner anymore because I've just had it too much. But I kinda could go for one of those little chicken bowl things. Those are really good, in my opinion. Y'all, I don't know where I am. I don't know where I am. My GPS is telling me to like turn around, but there's nowhere to turn around. It's told me I needed to turn around. I could have done it while the street was a little bit bigger. Perhaps. Where am I? No. Not do it. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's try this way. Alright, I'm finally here after 20 extra minutes. I swear. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my Chick-fil-A now. I got a chicken bowl. Again. Per usual. Chicken bowl. It's been a day and it's only 10. As I drop my fork. Started choking on nothing. Hash brown. Okay. There is mostly older people here. I'm just assuming because it's 10 o'clock on a Monday. It's Friday. It's 10 o'clock on a Friday. That they're not working maybe? I don't know. But there's a lot of older people here. Like really old. I guess preparing for the snow. Should I leave this in here? I'll leave it in here. It'll stay cold. It's really good. Alright, let's do some shopping. Okay. Alright. Today we're trying the peach edition. I think this was the one that was the summer one, but I never tried it then. So we're trying the peach edition. It's white peach. I love peaches, but I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Smell test. Ooh, smells really good. I've yet to find the blue one. Sit down. All right. My Roomba's going, so ignore that. She's heading home, I guess. Okay, peach edition. I mean, if you like peach, it doesn't taste too like, you know how some of them taste like chemical-y or like medicine-y? This one tastes good. I don't think it tastes like that, but I've heard mixed things about this one. I think it's great. Yeah, I would give it, my favorite is the yellow one. It's like tropical pineapple something. This one's pretty good too, not gonna lie. Ooh, I really like it. I would say I would give it like a 9 out of 10. If I'm saying the other one's a 10 out of 10, this would be a 9. So come back for part 2 if I can find the blue one. Alright guys, grocery haul. I already put a couple of the cheeses away. First thing, Eggo waffle. Chocolate chip. Okay, there's no roux. That's not good. These are so good. Chicken nuggets. Some cheese, Parmesan and mozzarella. Heavy cream. Chocolate mint chip. This isn't my favorite, but other people in my family really like it. Also, this brand of this and this are amazing. I think they're from, well, I've only seen them at Giant, but toasted ravioli and mac and cheese bites, delicious. So the freezer barely shuts, but that's okay. I'll move you guys farther. Okay, next thing. Some bread. I know I said we weren't gonna get bread, but I did it. Lightly salted Tostitos. Actually, I'm gonna do the other bag first, so I can put that stuff away. Tomatoes, gross. Onion, lettuce, lime. Fruit time. We got some strawberries, some raspberries, and some blackberries. Oh, and some halos. Woo! Some sausage and some ground beef. Yay! Second bag done. Vegetable oil. When I have a Red Bull, I like to have the little one, the 8 ounce. But they only had this one, and I wanted to get it anyways, so I did. But I'm not gonna try it today because I only limit myself to one of these a day. I don't even have one every day, but this one's really good. So we're gonna try this another day. Tortillas for the tacos. My sisters like these little things. Mini rigatoni. We got some marinara for the ravioli and stuff. Double Alfredo sauce. Hannah likes this cheese dip. The Fritos one. Some salsa. I don't think I've had this one. I hate like thick chunky salsa, but this looks chunky. Not gonna lie. It says smooth, but I don't see the smooth. Next thing, this was for me. Yep. My mom told me to get some of these if we have grilled cheese. I don't like this, but she can have that. 2 SpaghettiOs. I'm preparing for the worst, but I don't really know what's gonna happen. Oh, there's one thing in here. Oh, that's it. We're done. Okay, now I'm gonna go put all of this away. All of this. And then I kind of want to go back out for lunch because I got a lot of gift cards for Christmas. And I don't want to start eating all this stuff in case we need it. So I kind of want to go, I don't know where to go though. Oh my god, wait, that's not all I got. I also got donuts. These are my favorite. And then I like these ones, but I didn't want the double chocolate ones, but that's all they had. So double chocolate it is. I wanted the regular chocolate frosted ones. These are so good. These are so good. So I think that's all for my grocery haul today. Everyone say hi to my baby. Hello, baby. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Come on. Can you dance? Come on, show them your dance. Fist bump. Foot bump. Foot bump. Foot bump. Foot bump. Foot bump. There you go. Wait, you ready for this? Take it. I don't know if I said this already, but I have big news. If you know me, even if you don't, if you've seen one of my earliest videos, you may know that I'm a humongous fan of Bruno Mars. And it has been my dream for many years to go to his concert. He's been in Vegas, as we all know, for a very long time. I have not gone, I've never been to the West Coast at all, but maybe one day. But anyways, he announced his tour a while ago. People were buying tickets. I was nervous. I was in the queue for 2 hours before I was let in to the pre-sale, and I was really nervous that I was not going to get tickets, but I did. And we're all going to Bruno Mars, and I'm so excited. So excited. I wish I recorded me buying the tickets, but honestly I was in the queue for 2 hours and I didn't want to have a 2-hour video of me just waiting, so I didn't record anything. And then once I got in, it was go time, you know. It was go time. Come in! Leave it. So it was go time, right? And so I didn't have time to record. I didn't even know where my phone. Oh, I was on my phone. I don't know. But I did not record that. But I got tickets. I'm going with my family and my friend and her family, and I'm so excited. If my dad just asked me to go back to the store to get coffee creamer. I'll go after I get in, but hey. So, January 17th was the 1 year anniversary. I don't know what you want to call it. 1 year since I posted my first video. And, I don't know. I'm very grateful for you guys that have decided to stick around and hang out with me every so often. Okay, you know how I bought 2 Alfredo sauces? I'm gonna need you to come with me for this one. So we already have 4 of them. Now we have 6 Alfredo sauces. So that's lovely. And guess what? We already have vodka sauce and marinara sauce. So now, we just got a lot of sauce, okay? Oh my god, also guess what? We already have 2 of these! I just bought 2 more! I really should have checked the pantry before I went to the store, right? Right. Right. Now, we have this. But as I was saying, a whole year of my YouTube channel, which is very exciting. I know I'm not very good at showing emotion. I know. But I'm very excited and I'm very grateful for all of you that have decided to stick around. And all of you who have just watched my videos. But thank you for all of your kindness and all of your love and support, especially in my comments. You guys are always so kind, and that truly means everything to me. I've done so, this week has been super stressful. I've had a lot of responsibilities personally, and it's been a little difficult. I don't know if this video was entertaining at all. It's kind of boring. Sorry about that. But yeah, this has been my day. It's not exciting. It's nothing special. Literally getting groceries to prepare for the storm. Doing dishes. Other productive things. I don't know. Oh, I saw like 10 deer today while I was taking Buttercup out. Yeah, that was cool. What else? Well, if you are also on the East Coast or wherever this storm is happening, good luck. Stay safe. Stock up on some food, I guess. I don't know. Is it really gonna snow that much? Prepare, stay safe, stay warm, play in the snow. You're never too old to play in the snow or go sledding. Keep that in mind. Take a walk in the snow. That's always fun if it's not super icy. Go on a walk, listen to some music, listen to some nature. Listen to your friends, go with your friends or your family, talk to each other, interact with your family. Use this as a time to get off your devices and go outside if you like the snow. I know it's cold, but I like the snow a lot. I only like winter if it's snowing. Other than that, I hate winter. But have some hot chocolate. Have a cookie or 2 or 3, whatever. Have some donuts. Have some coffee. Have some soup. I don't really like soup that much, but have some soup if you like soup. Have some hot mac and cheese. Who doesn't like mac and cheese? Have some toast, a bagel, English muffin, or some go ice skating if you can. I cannot ice skate very well, but I want to get better at that, so maybe I'll go ice skating if things are open. Go sledding. I think I already said that. Go sledding. Go play in the snow. Go build a snowman. Make a snow angel. Have a snowball fight. Build an igloo. Is that like, I don't understand how that works. But if you can do that, that could be cool. I could never do that. If you're that bored, don't want to build a snowman, just make a big ball of snow with all the snow on the ground. What else do you do in the snow? Take some icicles off the bottom of your car. That's always fun. Take, I don't know what I'm saying. I've been talking about the snow for 13 minutes. You get the gist, yes? Have fun, be safe, stay warm. Okay guys, we're gonna make some fried mac and cheese bites. They're so good. Okay. First step is to preheat the oven. Wow, these scissors are so good. Been missing you by my side. It ain't always easy to keep on moving city to city, just get up and go. So I need you to be strong. I never as far away as I seem. Soon we'll be together. Pick up right where we left off. Look at this, look at this. This is an ad on my Instagram, okay? I'm going through stories. Look at this. See the first thing? You see what that is? Right there? See what that is? It's creamy coconut Dr. Pepper. And if you may know, okay, that I had that, okay, summer 2024, all right, and it's said been discontinued, and they brought it back for this past summer, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So why is my thing giving me an ad for creamy coconut Dr. Pepper? I click on it, it's just regular Dr. Pepper. Oh my God, a solo ad. Look at this. Instacart, there's the first one. Click, click. Look at that. Do you see that? You see this tomfoolery, this trickery?